Welcome to Thorpe Park, Hyperia. Yes, it's been a few days, I do apologise, we have been away. However, let's get you up to date with what's going on at the park. We're going to head down and get you some close shots of this shortly, but as you can see, last time we were here, the non-inverted turn was being installed. That has now been completely installed. You can see the support has been extended, that's gone up, and also the inverted one's gone up as well. Absolute loads going on down here at the park since we were last here. So of course we're going to get you some close-ups, get you some variation shots as well from different angles, so you can see exactly how Hyperia is coming on today. So here is an alternate look at the non-inverting Illiman turn, and indeed the new piece which is being installed, which you can see is inverted. Arguably the best place to see this from, the new pieces of track. So as we said, the non-inverted Illiman and the inverted, I believe the stall turn, is in place. There it is, the finished part through the trees. We were watching the turn, the non-inverted turn being installed last week when we were last here. That has now been complete, with the inverted turn also taking shape and going over, and that will link to the brown piece of track on the right. Now I know this isn't the best view, but we're just giving you an overview of it before we head down and get some better shots. Here is a closer look. Now it was this top element we were watching be installed last time. As you can see, that's the non-inverted turn. Leading into the drop where we first pictured the trim brakes. But in addition to that, we also now have, I mean that's long enough as it is, isn't it? Without the fact it's not completed yet. That's quite something. Now the next connection pieces will be down to here. They're the pieces we expect to be installed next to make the join before starting on the lift hill. Now, we did mention last time about the trim, however the trim has been trimmed off and brought around the side of the building. Obviously expecting that to continue all the way around. You might be able to see actually it looks like pits have been laid ready for it as decoration on and in the station continues. Some more stunning multi-purpose supports here as expected. Just support appreciation post, which we do like to do. Just look at this one, look. How random is it? More coming off it as well. It is expected to be supported further, although it is holding the new piece of track. Most of the cabling has now been trenched in. You can see this was all sort of being trenched out last time we were here. And that's from the electric plant which we showed you last time. And you can just see sort of the tip here. Through the supports. But the structure does look fantastic, even now. Now the porthole was put in last time we were here. We didn't point it out, to be honest, but it was put in last time we were here. However, we are going to point out a second layer to go around the outside here, which is just on the corner piece, and it does look slightly coloured. I don't know if it's the angle, whether it's the time of day. It does look slightly coloured. These look far more complete. In fact, this area generally looks far more complete. Of course, we were first to bring you the retail shop outlet last time. Not a lot's happened to that yet. However, it won't be long until it does. Now on the maintenance shed, we do have a shutter. Yes, we have a gold roller shutter which has been installed. We can see lights on inside as well. Now we were hoping that perhaps there wouldn't be one, so we would see when the trains drift on in. However, that's unlikely to be the case now. Here is an overview of the site at the moment. Obviously, as we wait for this element to be done, I have to say the angle of that is brilliant. We're going to get a close shot of that very shortly. And we start work on the lift hill. Loads has happened, absolutely loads has happened, but this is a great shot for here. Let's get some shots of that. There we go, Thorpe Park Hyperia. It's coming along very quick. We are expecting a lift hill to start soon. They're obviously going to finish that turn off first. I can't actually see any more track there at the moment. However, that's not to say there's not some hidden behind. Now, as we said, there is a shutter on the front end. There is not a shutter currently on the back end. And as you can see, they have left the lights on because they've gone home, but nothing is in there yet. Yeah, what did you see that we didn't? Let us know in the comments below. But thank you for joining us here from UK Theme Parks. If you've liked it, please drop it a like. It means the world to us, and we'll see you next time.